Now, if you want to edit any photos, like before, you don't need to know much about editing, and you don't need any special software for this. Sometimes your phone itself has so many AI tools. You can use these AI tools to edit any photo. Sometimes you may want to combine two photos and edit that combined photo. That also you can do with these AI tools. One of the most prominent AI tools for this is Google Gemini. In this video, we'll be talking about how to combine two photos and edit them with Google Gemini. For this, you need to install the Google Gemini application. It's available in the Play Store and App Store. If you want, you can use it from the browser also. Anyway, it's better to install it. After installing, open the Google Gemini application. After opening the Google Gemini application, you'll reach a page like this. Here, you can see one plus button. Click on this plus button and from here, select Gallery. When you click on that, you'll reach your gallery. From the gallery, select the photo which you want to edit. For example, I want to edit this photo, and with that, I want to combine this photo also. So I'm selecting these two photos. If you want, you can select multiple photos also. For example, I'm selecting two photos only. After that, click on this Add button. When you click on that, those photos will be added. And after that, here you should type how you want this image. After telling how you want that image, click on this Send button. When you click on that, Google Gemini will do the editing for you. Now, here you can see the editing has been completed. The result is exactly the same as what I had in mind. And one thing is that when you are giving a prompt, you should give maximum details. Anyway, after that, if you want to edit this again, here you can type the changes you want and you can edit it again also. Anyway, I want to save this image. For that, click on this image and here you can see the Save button. Click on Save. When you click on that, that image will be saved. So, this way you can easily combine two photos and edit with Google Gemini. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.